covered by a little bit of high clouds right now. We are at the base of Mount Adams in the state of Washington. Don't get into the state of Washington very often to camp for whatever reason. Maybe just because there's plentiful camps, places to camp in Oregon. I don't know. But this site is amazing. It's one of the highest elevation campsites that I've been to. We have a wonderful stream right now coming off of the minimal amount of snow that we got this winter in the Pacific Northwest. And you can see right there, there's a small building that's typically there for hikers, especially in the snow when they're up here. There's a trail that's, let's see, over there. And it basically goes up to another spot where the trailhead is to start hiking up the actual mountain. But you can't really see it right now because it's covered, but it's right there. But this campground is beautiful. Yes, there was a burn here probably about 15 years ago or so, and the trees have not really come back. And the reason why they don't come back as quickly as you would expect after a fire is because of the elevation. You have a really short grow period when you're this high in elevation, not only from like sunshine and whatnot, but also snow melt. So this area usually is covered in snow up until about right now, which is late May, early June. But as you can see, there's nothing. So let's take a look around my camp, how I have it set up. We do have the Overlandish base camp out. My buddy brought his brand new Rivian out and he's camping for the first time in that. We're about 30 miles up the gorge, the Columbia River Gorge. Ridgeline over there. We're just out here enjoying the crisp air. The roads are a little gnarly, definitely a lot worse when there's snow melt actively coming down. But you can see they're relatively washed out. Looks like we have cedar shakes on all this. Obviously, cedar is typically utilized because it has limited degradation properties naturally from rot and water. Inside, the base is on rock all around here so that it doesn't rot from the bottom out. Looks like we have a couple tethers in here, but it's clean. It's definitely clean. What's really cool is you have Mount Adams right here, which is huge, especially when you're at the base of it. And you also have Mount Hood. Some fresh Oregon strawberries, banana, and some Kodiak oatmeal. Should be good. The thing that I love about Oregon strawberries, besides the obvious, they're the best anywhere and super sweet, is they're small. So they're bite size. So I don't have to slice them up. I can literally just take the stems off and throw them in. talk quick because it's windy as out here. But as you can see behind me, clouds did clear. Just finishing up Mountain House meal. Got a Greek salad behind me, and just gonna enjoy the evening. Cheers. Definitely had lots of visitors last night. You can see well below freezing this morning on the mountain. Everything's iced up. It's pretty chilly. It's interesting to see the visitors that we had though, because they got extremely close. So we definitely had some deer walk right through camp. The dogs did not even notice. They probably were coming around to get some water out of the stream. Beautiful morning. The best view though. There's the morning sunrise hitting Mount Hood. So anyway, thanks for coming along on this really quick adventure to Mount Adams and Mount Hood. And hope you guys had a great weekend. See you on the next one.